Want to rid your wardrobe of wrinkles? Then you need the latest tech to combat creases. Consider your options: a traditional iron, a steam station, or a handheld steamer. First, irons, the traditional choice. These use a heated sole plate paired with steam and a little elbow grease to work out the wrinkles in clothes and linens. Irons are budget-friendly, lightweight, and offer multiple heat settings. Look for safety features like auto shut-off and power on light, as well as drip protection to prevent water leaking onto clothes and damaging them. Next, steam stations. These sit on a water tank so they can generate a lot of steam to cut through creases with less effort. You can steam clothes or press iron just like you would with a normal iron, or vertically steam hanging garments. Steam stations make sense if you do a lot of ironing and on a range of fabrics. Finally, handheld steamers. Perfect for giving clothes, upholstery, curtains and bed linen a quick freshen up. A compact and portable version of a steam station, these heat up in seconds so you can freshen up fabrics in a flash. Use them for vertical or horizontal steaming and look for added features like a vertical board to make the job easier. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in store or online.